Are you working with students but can't physically be in the classroom with them? With Everyday Speech, you can share materials and track their completion with a simple link. Let me show you how. To start, find the material that you want to share with your students. Next, click the button labeled Send as Homework. You can find this button on Search, inside your saved list, or on the material itself. When you click the button, it will open this instruction screen. At the top, you'll see a unique link that will allow the student to open the material and view it at home. Click the Copy Link button to capture it. You can then paste this link into your preferred method of communication with students: email, Google Classroom, or any other communication tool. You can share these links with a single student or with a larger group of students, and the functionality will be the same. To see a list of all materials that you've shared, simply go to the My Classroom drop-down and select My Assignments. Here is a list of all the materials you've shared and a report of which students have completed the assignments. If you ever lose a link, you can come back here and copy the link again. When a student receives the link and opens it, they'll have direct access to the material. The student can open this link on a computer or phone and does not need an Everyday Speech account to access it. To keep things focused, the student will just have access to the material you shared. They will not have the ability to navigate to other materials or elsewhere in the social learning platform. If you want to share multiple materials, we recommend you send multiple links, with one for each material. After the student completes the material, they should click the button that says Finish Assignment and mark as complete. You'll notice that this button is not available unless the student has actually done the work. This means they've gotten to the final 10 seconds of a video, have downloaded the activity, or have opened a game. When the student clicks this button, they'll be prompted to enter their first name and last initial. This information will be reported back to you, so make sure you encourage students to do this when they finish assignments. Back on your teacher account, you can see the report of which students completed the assignment. To do this, go to the My Assignments page. For each link you share, you get a report of the names of the students who have completed the assignment. This could be as few as one or as many as an entire class or grade. As you can see here, the student who completed the assignment has their name listed. You can add this to a student profile's watch history by clicking the Link to Student Profile button. If the name that the student entered matches a student profile you have in your account, our system will automatically make this link for you. This means you won't need to do anything. You can see that here with student Ben A. Since there is already a student profile for Ben A, this material has been marked as seen for Ben on the date that he finished the assignment. On the off chance that this link was made in error, you can always click Unlink Student, and it will no longer be in that student's watch history. Whether you work with students individually or with whole classrooms, this method of sharing videos, activities, and games will make remote learning easy and fun.